In this video, I'm going to show you $30,397 have been earned from 15,000 customers. In this video, I will show you how you can get these 15,000 customers. Not only that, I'm going to show you more than 1.2 million customers ready to pay you for answering their queries. This is exactly what we do to make money online, like this $30,397 in affiliate commissions, completely passive and 100% free. It can be done by any beginner from anywhere on the planet, from any experience level, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. If all this sounds good, then let's move on to the next section. So, unlike a lot of other YouTubers who show you how to make money online, we're about to show you the real way that we used to make money online. And for that, we make videos. But unlike videos of this channel, we don't use cameras, microphones, or record ourselves on our 20 plus other channels. We simply use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description for a limited time. Go ahead, grab it before it's gone. Okay, so using Epic, we don't have to write scripts. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence that turns that script into natural sounding voiceover, and Epic makes videos using image, text, and links. Epic allows us to make videos in bite size and then compile them into any length of video, long video, short video, whatever we want. And this is how we can scale. We make hundreds of videos without any trouble, without shooting ourselves on the camera, without writing script, without even editing. Alright, how this all happen, how we actually make money, where are the customers, Mosh? We're going there, but before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can only achieve this with your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, everyone you know, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts. Send them the link of this video and tell them that this is one of the easiest and best ways to make money. This way you help us help others, and you help your friends and family and social media contacts learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money, hundreds of thousands of other people making money, and you can make money too. Okay, go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Done? Let's begin. So when we tell people, hey, you have to make videos, or we make videos, they panic. Oh my God, there are so many hundreds of thousands of niches, types of videos, and how can I make videos? Oh my God, I can't, I don't know, it's hard. The answer is wait. Focus on the customers. So I'll give you an example. You know that people visit online stores in order to purchase something. So the people visiting online stores are customers. That's why platforms like Shopify, Squarespace are so popular, because they provide you with an online store. The problem, Shopify bare bone, just the basic version of Shopify. I mean, just to have an online store, you need to pay $29 a month, whether you make money or not. And then for add-ons, to actually get your store making money for you, you need to buy a lot more add-ons, and every single add-on will charge you monthly recurring fees. So it's a lot more than just $29 per month. But once you're committed and you start your business, you keep paying. That's a super pain for the beginners and everyone who runs an online store. Same problem with Squarespace. And WooCommerce seems free, but it's not. For WooCommerce, you need a hosting server, you need domain, and you need to install WordPress. Themes and plugins are not free at all. So WooCommerce is just the beginning, and once you install WooCommerce, you have to buy all the other things to get your store running and making money. Okay, so now we located the problem of the customers who are ready to pay for the services of Shopify and Squarespace. Now we are about to solve their problems using our videos, but for that, we need to know what problems they're facing. So we came to Ubersuggest or any keyword research tool and searched with Shopify, Squarespace, and WooCommerce. And here is what we found, and this is what I wanted to tell you about. Look at this. There are more than 1.2 million customers who are looking to solve their problems related to WooCommerce, Squarespace, and Shopify. Not only that, there are 472,661 type of questions people are asking on Google. These all questions are already answered on the internet. You just need to copy those answers and paste them on Epic and make 1 minute long short videos. Why short videos? Look at the shorts feed of YouTube. Hundreds of thousands of views. Just go ahead, search with Shopify with your phone and go to the shorts feed and you will see hundreds of thousands of views. Why? Because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels to make it popular, and they're sending hundreds of thousands of free views, free customers to the Shorts creators and Shorts. And Shorts are just 1 second to 1 minute long videos. It can be anything from 1 second to 1 minute that can easily be made using Epic. So answer all these questions that customers of these platforms have and get free views, free customers from YouTube. And of course, you can use the same video for TikTok and Instagram Reels as well. Because you're answering them with correct information, you're telling the truth, they will trust you and they will love you, they will eventually follow you. And a lot of them will click on your affiliate links and will purchase from you and you will make money. That's exactly how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money from passive affiliate commissions and you can make money too. Now you might be saying you don't know any affiliate program that pays you this much money. Here's an example. We found the problem of a mass market, so we built Grants. It's a software and we are a software company, so we just built this software. With Grants, we solved all the problems of Shopify, Squarespace, or WooCommerce owners. Grants is a 3-in-1 store builder software that you get all these benefits as a Grants user. You don't need domain, you don't need hosting server, you don't need plugins. All the add-ons, plugins are already pre-installed. Even we give away popular products, ready-made stores for the users as well. All you need is to go ahead, start, send traffic and make sales, make money. That's it. And this is why this offer is so popular. And when we promote this offer as an affiliate, it's our own product, but we still promote it as an affiliate. People love to buy and we make money. It's one of the most popular products on Warrior Plus. You can buy it if you want it. By the way, if you want access to Grants, I will leave a link in the description. At one-time price, Grants users are literally replacing Shopify and Squarespace. With all the peace of mind, they're making all the money. But if you want to promote it as an affiliate, go to Warrior Plus, create a new account, and go to affiliate section, look for offers. Then search with GRANDZ and hit search. You will find Grants, click here, and then you have to submit a request. Mention that you came from YouTube, you're one of my YouTube viewers, and tell us how you want to promote it. We will approve you and you will make commissions like this by solving problems of more than 1.2 million customers. That's it. Super simple. All starts with Epic. Go grab Epic free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Start making simple videos, answering queries of all these customers. They will love you, they will follow you, they will click your links in the description, in the first comment, and in the bios, and you will make money. Super simple. Go ahead, grab Epic and start making simple videos using AI right now. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. And the goal of this channel is even bigger. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. Learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. And everybody will get our softwares free as well. Links will be in the description. So please hit the like button, inspire us and tell YouTube that this is a good video and they should show this to more and more customers. And share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, on your social media timelines. This way you help us help 100 million people and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people make money and you will make money too. Go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.